guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, my name is Cait. It is Easter weekend. Today is Saturday. Just put in all the eggs in some boiling water so we can color them. Grayson's napping right now, and then when he wakes up, that'll be our little afternoon Easter activity. Usually I do it like a couple days before, but being a toddler mom, everything is like so last minute. But I'm excited for Easter. I love Easter. It's one of my favorite holidays. Obviously the meaning behind it, but also just spring being here in general is everything to me, and I love all the pastel colors and the Easter baskets. It's just such a fun time of year right before summer. So Easter is definitely one of my favorite holidays, and it's obviously super fun when you're a mom. Sorry, there's a plane going by right now. I never hear planes go by ever. And of course, when I'm filming, there's a humongous plane going by. Anyways, yeah, like I said, Grayson is napping. Zach is down the Cape. They did like an Easter brunch slash Easter bunny slash egg hunt at the restaurant. If you're new here, Zach runs a restaurant with his brother down the Cape. He's always back and forth. Grayson and I were gonna go, but I'm like, honestly, I don't really have the energy to go and help set up, and I just had way too much stuff to do here. Like, I really wanted to do the eggs and just get everything ready for Easter tomorrow, so we stayed back. He should be back home later. We're going to my aunt's house for Easter tomorrow. Usually my mom would host like every single holiday. It's so weird. She actually moved. If you missed not my last vlog, but the vlog before that, she actually moved into our apartment building. My younger brother Corey, who's special needs, moved home from his group home, and so she just needed more room, so she actually moved into this apartment, which is so funny. And I love that. Like, I feel like some people would be like, please get me out of this, like family members in the same apartment building, but my mom and I are very close. It's honestly very nice to have her just an elevator ride away if she needs to watch Grayson or something. But I love vlogging this time of year. Like I said, this is one of my favorite holidays, and I just get so excited. I also wanted to quickly share Grayson's Easter basket this year. I think I showed it last year, but I love seeing what people put in their toddlers' Easter baskets. Honestly, this is not even necessary. I just like to get little things. I mean, this is probably a lot to some people, but I feel like some people go overboard. Like, I remember when I was younger, people would post on like their Snapchat story or Instagram story so much stuff for Easter. I'm like, guys, what are we doing? It's literally Easter. Like, I just remember getting little things like this. Anyways, I got him these Annie's fruit snack things. He loves these. These are not like the best. We only do them every now and then, but I feel like they're a cute little spring thing, so got those. I always like to get him a stuffed animal of some sort. He still loves the one that I got him last year. He got a cow this year. Color bath fizzies. These are non-toxic, so they say. I hope they are. I got them off Amazon, but I remember when I was a kid, my brother and I, when we would take a bath, would always have these color tablets, and they're so fun. So I got him some rain boots, which are so cute. These are a size too big, but I was like, I don't want to get his current size because his feet are like almost not that size anymore, and they didn't have a half size, so I'll have to have some extra room in these, but they're really cute. I got most of this stuff from Amazon. These little bugs from Melissa and Doug, Fubbles, a couple books. He loves Toy Story right now. And then this book is really cute, If I Could Keep You Little. Lastly, just this short and t-shirt set from Target that's Toy Story themed. So that is everything that is going in his Easter basket. I got this from Crate & Barrel, and I'm kind of kicking myself. I wish I got him a woven basket because this just does not hold well, and the writing is very hard to read. I don't know why I did white. Like, what was I thinking? But it's still really cute. The eggs are done. I'm just gonna let them cool a bit. Grayson is up, so we're gonna color these as soon as these are cooled down. We always use the Paz, I don't know, but I remember using this when I was a kid. It just comes with the dyeing tablets, a dipper, some stickers, and cute things like that. These are definitely not non-toxic, I don't think. I'm sure they have a bunch of options on Amazon, but we have the cups, some vinegar, and then this basket we'll use when we do the egg hunt in the morning.
You see a tiger? Oh, that's scary. It's actually a bit after Easter. It's the following week. Today's Friday. On Easter, I started feeling sick. Grayson was a little bit sick. He had a little bit of a runny nose, and I'm like, oh God, is he gonna get a full-on cold? And then the next day I had a stuffy nose, the whole thing. And we were sick for a good week. Like, it was one of the worst colds that I've had in my life. You're done with that? Okay, I'll take it. Would you like your Miss Rachel book?
No.
Okay.
Dad.
A snack? Okay. I have a snack for you, actually. Thank God. Sometimes I forget to pack snacks and I'm just like freaking out. So I didn't end up vlogging after Easter because we were just so sick. Grayson was so sick and it was just a miserable time. I feel like we were all sick for the whole month of January. I'm just like over being sick. I do not want to be sick at all the rest of this year. So fingers crossed, but yeah, it was just not a fun time. Pretty miserable. Today's Friday. Like I said, we just picked up a grocery order at Shaw's. I was saying in a couple vlogs ago, or I don't even know when I was saying it. I've said it a few times, but we were doing the Whole Foods delivery through Amazon for a little bit, and I'm like, this is getting to be pretty expensive. Like, I paid for the membership for the year instead of monthly, so it was a bit cheaper, but Whole Foods just gets to be so expensive sometimes, and their quantity of things is just so small, and I'm like, why are we spending all this money? So we actually have a BJ's membership, and then we do Shaw's for like smaller items that we don't really need in bulk. So we're over the Whole Foods delivery thing. Like, it's nice if you just need a few things, you don't have time to run out and you just do a delivery and it comes right to your door. But other than that, for like full grocery shops once a week, it just like wasn't realistic for us anymore. So we do Shaw's and then BJ's for like bulk items that we need to last us, if anybody cares. Probably not. We're gonna go home, unpack everything, stock the fridge, because we have like nothing in the fridge for the weekend. So we're gonna go home and do that. Oh, I don't have any more, honey. You didn't even eat it all. This past week was so nice outside. It felt like summer. One of the days it hit 80 degrees, I'm pretty sure, and it was just so nice. We went to the pond like every single morning. Zach has been running with him in the stroller. We actually don't have a running stroller, but he says that it's pretty easy to do in the stroller we have. We have the Mockingbird stroller and he loves it, and he'll run with him and I'll do my loop around the pond, and it's just so nice to have like a solo walk, and I'll go fast. I'll get my hot girl walk in, and it was just such a lovely week. But I'm gonna stop rambling before I run into traffic on the way home, and we can get these groceries in the fridge. Two? No, split it in half because you won't even eat two. So like I said, this is everything that we don't really need in bulk. Also, sometimes BJ's doesn't have a lot of these things, but we got a few snacks, some pretzels, Cape Cod chips. These are so iconic. Cannot live without these. Some orange juice, and I'm trying to recreate this salad from Sweet Green. I get it all the time. It's so bad. I spend way too much money. I'm pretty sure it's called the Harvest Bowl, and it has like sweet potato, crushed almonds, chicken, and it's just so good. So I got some almonds to recreate that. Some pancake mix, crackers. These are really good. I would get these at Whole Foods, and Shaw's carries them as well. These little potatoes just as a side for dinners and lunches. It comes with seasoning, and it's really easy. You just throw it right on the potatoes and stick them in the oven. My mom gets these, so that's how I know about them. A couple sweet potatoes. These crackers looked really good. They're gluten-free, and it's garden veggie flavor. They're made with rice. Some balsamic for that salad, Frolo's pickles, a cucumber, and some onions just for cooking and whatnot. Goat cheese for the salad, some popsicles, tortillas, 2 things of sourdough. I really like this brand of sourdough bread, some kale for the salad, cheese, Colby Jack, and then some shredded cheese, cream cheese, and then lastly some berries. I got 2 huge things of strawberries and blueberries because Grayson and I go through berries like crazy. feel like I have not shared my coffee that I've been drinking in a really long time. I've just been doing a salted caramel macchiato. I have some Malden sea salt in here, which I need to get more. This is all I have left. This is the best salt. I swear by it, and it really just takes the bitterness away from your espresso. And then I just do the caramel macchiato creamer from Chobani. I'm on another Chobani kick right now, this one, and then sometimes I'll just do plain vanilla or the, what's it called, sweet cream. And then of course whole milk. I only make my lattes with whole milk. Even when I go out and get lattes, it's just so much better. I really need to remember to add this to my Amazon cart because we go through the salt like crazy. I do a pretty good amount because I really like the saltiness flavor to come through with the caramel. I always do lots of ice. That's how I've been doing my coffee. It's so yummy. My cute little bee cup from Anthropology. I think they still have these. I have a bunch of other icons as well. Happy Saturday, happy weekend. I'm gonna get ready while I drink my coffee. Grayson and I have a little play date this morning with one of my girlfriends and her son. It was his second birthday last week and we weren't able to go because he was still sick. So we're gonna bring over his gift and play for a little bit before his nap. So that should be fun, a little play date. So I'm just gonna do some quick skincare. What is it? Oh honey, put that back. That goes in the toilet. You see it? It's so fun to watch him interact with other kids and how they play. For the longest time, he like didn't really know what to do when he saw other kids. Now when we go to the park and he sees other kids his age, he has so much fun. And then also the gym daycare that Zach takes him to, he does pretty well now. So it's so fun and cute to just see them all play together. So I'm excited. Open? What do you want me to open, honey? It's pretty cool. I've been loving putting this eye cream on. It's like an eye gel from Well People. Revitalizing Dew Snow Mushroom Eye Gel Cream. But it just makes my under eyes feel super moisturized and they look hydrated, which I like. I did some eye patches as well. I got these from Amazon. I love these because they actually stay on and they don't slide. I've also been loving this Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment in banana. What is it? Caramelized banana. This is so good. I don't know what it is about this one, but I feel like it's more hydrating than the other ones. It literally has chew marks all over it from Grayson chewing it. And the scent is obviously delicious. I've been applying this 20 times throughout the day and I love it. So there's the skincare, just very quick and easy. I don't know if I want to do makeup. Maybe I will. Maybe just a tiny bit, like concealer, a little bit of blush, and then we'll go get dressed. Hi vlog, happy Sunday. It's such a gloomy day out today. I'm pretty happy about it because I spent pretty much the entire morning cleaning out stuff and throwing stuff away. I went through the entire underneath of the sink in the kitchen, threw a bunch of stuff out. I got a new organizer off Amazon. I set that up, put it underneath, and it's just makes me so happy when I open the cabinets and everything is neat, clean and organized, just kind of like decluttering. I love rainy days. They're so cozy. It's like pouring rain out right now and I just love it so much. Like it truly makes me so happy to have a rainy day, especially on a Sunday. It's so cozy. But I just took an everything shower. Grayson is napping and I'm about to make some lunch. I'm making some chicken salad. I just have some shredded chicken. This is actually canned chicken. This would be a lot better if it was fresh, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna do the canned chicken. And then I just prepped the rest of my ingredients as well, which I'll show you. I chopped up some red onion. I did some almonds. I would do walnuts, but I don't have any, so we're gonna stick with almonds. Cranberries. I do mayo. You could do Greek yogurt, like plain Greek yogurt, to make it on the healthier side, but personally I don't love the taste of that in my chicken salad, so we're doing mayo, some garlic powder, salt, and some pepper. I'm just gonna do toasted bread for lunch with probably a pickle on the side and some Cape Cod chips. I feel like I've been showing so much food in this vlog. It's turning into a food vlog. This would be 10 times better if it was chilling in the fridge for a little bit, or even the next day. It's always so much better. But I did an open-faced sandwich situation with some Cape Cod chips and a Grillo's pickle. This is one of the best lunches, a sandwich, chips, and a pickle. So I'm gonna sit down, chill, and eat. I might watch maybe like a Netflix show while I eat and just honestly relax for a little bit.